Hey, what's up guys, GSAHD here, and today in this video we'll be showing you how you can upgrade the RAM in your laptop. So firstly you need three things for doing this process. First one is the extra RAM. Now this is the 4 GB RAM, and I will leave a link in the description from where you can buy this RAM. And another one is the screwdriver. Now the screws which we are going to lose are small, and we will be using a small size screwdriver. As you can see here, it is the smallest size of screwdrivers. And also, as you can see here in my laptop, installed memory, which is RAM, it is just 4 GB. It is written here. So let's go ahead and do this. So before following this, make sure your laptop is completely turned off, and also release your battery to make sure that there is no electrical charge traveling in your ports. After doing this, we will be finding out where can insert the RAM. Now different PCs have different places where we can insert the RAM. As you can see here, at the base we are getting this plastic. In my case, this plastic, under this plastic we will getting the hard disk, and this is all the base. This was for the battery, and this small part is for the RAM. Now some PCs have this type of base. Now what we can do in these, we'll be just removing these two screws, and we'll be opening this full base, full plastic which is covering there, and we will be finding all the RAMs. So firstly we'll be opening this screw. Then removing it, and this is just a cover which covers this RAMs under here, and these gaps are for air ventilation, and this plastic is for preventing dust particles from coming in. So make sure not to mess with this, because it can damage your RAMs if this cover is damaged. After opening this, we will be getting something like this, and as you can see here, this is the 4 GB RAM which was already inserted, and this is the free port. Let me just show you with this one is the free port. So let's go and take our RAM. Now as you can see here, our RAM looks like this, and as you can see here, this part is something, this is a gap between these golden chips. Now this we can take the help of this, and can align our RAM, and our RAM port is also having a plastic just here. As you can see here, this plastic, small plastic. So this plastic will come under this RAM. Now in some PCs the RAM goes like this, but in my case this sticker will come down. So we will be inserting it just like this. Now also, when you are doing this process for the first time, you will when you will insert it, it will be just like not going inside properly. It will just go here and fall down. Now I also suffered with this problem till 1 week, but then I was just testing this around, and then found the solution for this problem. So what we have to do is, just when you are inserting it, you will just place it like this, and will push it further above, and will just then your RAM will be standing like this. Now this is the proper position in which you can push your RAM inside, and when you hear the click, then you are good to go. After you did this, what you have to do is take the plastic and close it. Then take the screwdriver and just tighten it. Then you can reinsert your battery. And you can turn on your PC. Then your PC will normally boot up. And also, if there is any problem, if your RAMs are not properly aligned, then your PC will not boot up. You will just see these lights, but your screen, nothing will appear on your screen. So as you can see here, after inserting the RAMs, my PC just boot up, and here, as you can see here, it is just transformed from the 4 GB to 8 GB after just installing the RAMs. So this was the process. And now for the PCs having this kind of base, and you will be getting 2 screws. In my case, I have 2 screws. Now different PCs can have 4 or 5 or 6, but in my case I only have 2 screws. One is here and one is here. So we'll be loosening these screws. Now these kinds of PCs have screws which come out, so make sure to keep these screws at a safe place where you do not lose it, because if once you have lose these screws, you have to get the new one of same size, which is very difficult. So I would recommend you to keep them in the safe place. Loosening the another screw. Keeping them aside, and after loosening all of the screws, as you can see here, here is a place from where we can open it. We'll be opening this base. You can take the help of screwdriver for opening the base. Once you did that, open the base and keep it aside. Now as you can see here, you will be able to see this kind of setup in here. Do not mess with this all setup. You will in my case, I have 2 RAMs here. I have already placed 2 4 GB RAMs, and in this PC I have installed 8 GB of RAM. So this was the whole process, how you can insert the RAM. Thanks for watching my video, and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.